Hiya. Today I'm going to show you how to put together the Kallax Ikea stacking shelves. So first thing first, we'll unpack the box. Lay down your two side pieces, like so. This will be the first instruction on your booklet. Like one there, and also it's going to ask you to put these in as well. So we'll get on with that. It's pretty simple. We line them up like that, and you can see there that that's where the shelves are going to go onto. So they all need to be lined up. Don't ignore these ones because those are all to do with your brackets. I use a ratchet screwdriver, it's a lot easier. And don't be tempted to use electric screws or anything, screwdrivers, because it can, you can overscrew it basically. You damage the thread and then you end up with, there. That just goes in, just so it's tight, like that. No more than that. So I'll get round and get all of these done. And you can join me when I've done this for the next stage. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the brackets in. There's two holes there, and two holes at the other end. I'm fitting them now because they're easy to get to before I put this over the other side once I've fitted in the shelving. I just learned it might be easier just to do it at that stage before I continue to complete putting the other end on it as well. Next thing is to put the shelving in, the internal shelving. Got holes here as well, so all you do is, well, I'll show you on this one here, just match it up like that and do that 3 ways across. But then we'll get one of these screws and all you do is fit that into here like so. Push that in. Same as that, do it a certain way so that it can be tightened onto the screw. Like so. There you go. And then all I'll do is turn that with a screwdriver now. Like so. That's it, just nip it. That's all it needs. Like so. Just nip it. That's it. Put the next one on, and then we'll lift this end here, and we'll place it over the top, and we'll do the same again here. Okay, just line these up, and it will just drop straight into there, like so. There we go. That's it. And all we're going to do now, because this is nice and lightweight, just pop that like that and lay it down this way, and we'll put the screws in that side as well now. Turn that, and that'll just grip that. Now you can feel it starting to get sturdy now. There we go. And continue that all the way down. The next piece is putting these screws in. What I've done, you do get a tool, but I don't use it. I can stick to this. But what I'm going to do is put that in, but I shall screw it so that the first piece is just going to stick out there so I can see it. Do that with all four and then guide it up to the hole then so that they all go in. So I'll do that now. They're all lined up now, so I can just hold that. Start them all off. Like so. And then what I'll do now is I'll work all this through and tighten it all up. That's it, the shelving's all in together now, all in one piece. It normally goes pretty quick together, this piece of furniture, and it's lightweight as well, which is also good. As you can see, the brackets are already in place, so what I'm going to do now is offer it up to the top of the headboard on the bed and just mark the spots there and then drill them ready. I've drilled the holes in the wall now, so I'm just going to put some of those into the wall now. These are black plaster screws because of the wall, because of the caravan wall. That's what I need to use. The holes were drilled in the wall, and then just get that into focus. There you go. So they are now. There's 3 of those in the wall, and we're all ready to offer up the shelf to it now, and then I'll put the screws in. There we go, it's up. All that remains now is I'm just going to put the covers on there, and they just pop. Oops. They just slide in into position and pop like that, and then that hides the bracket nicely. There we go. And there we have it. Final piece. Shelves all up, a couple of boxes, a little bit of decoration just for now, and that's another job, and that's how you put one of these up, and that's how I've decided to use it today for storage.